guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to tell you how to describe a plant. My friend name is Puneet and he is performing his challenge of describing plant. So before going ahead, if you have not watched our previous video, please make sure go and check it out, our previous video. Hope you enjoy it. Now let's start.
Hi guys, my name is Puneet Gupta and I'm going to talk about a plant named cannabis. Never heard of it? Have you guys heard of marijuana, hash, dog, charas, ganja? Now you guys know what I'm talking about. Coming to the plant, it is a genus of the flowering plants of the family Cannabicae. It has three species named Cannabicae, Cannabis sativa, Cannabis indica and Cannabis ruderalis. Cannabis was actually legal in India before 1985, but in 1985 NDPS, that is Narcotics, Drugs, Psychotropic Substances Act, was passed by the government of India, and this act criminalizes the cannabis and classifies it as a hard drug. Leaving it aside, I am going to tell you about the medical benefits of cannabis. Cannabis is commonly used in the relief of chronic pain. Studies have also found that cannabis can help in increasing the lung capacity instead of damaging them. Some studies have also found that cannabis can be helpful in losing weight by regulating the insulin in the body. So, guys, can you see that? The process of losing weight can also be fun, more fun, obviously, if the government allows it. And you can also ditch those expensive gym memberships and can go. Okay, and the list can goes on and on, like fighting cancer, mend bones, helping in the treatment of depression, treatment of PTSD, and so on. But everything comes with certain ill effects. Cannabis has also ill effects, like trouble in thinking and remembering, like the one I'm suffering right now. And second, you can say that, as I said, so uh, trouble breathing, slot coordination, increase in appetite, and many more. And above all, addiction to a drug. So, what's the current scenario in India? Currently, there is a lot of heated debate going on in India whether to legalize it or not. But the fact is, many countries in the world are legalizing it. See, cannabis is the oldest medicine of India even before the alcohol and tobacco, and yet it is considered as more evil than alcohol and tobacco. Obviously, the complete opening of this market will open up the loopholes for the notorious elements of the society which will try to exploit those loopholes. But just because of this reason, we cannot affect the people. We cannot ignore that fact that some certain group of people can get some help from this plant. So, a proper steps must be taken under the strict government guidelines so that reasonable people can avail its benefits. Thank you. Over to you, Seema. And I'm going to water my one of the very special plant. Cheers.
If you like our video, please make sure you subscribe our channel, press notification icon bell for the latest update, and also like and comment. For more suggestion, I would love to take your suggestion. Bye bye.